Your weekend adventures are daring. But are you prepared? Introducing the North American Rescue Individual Rugged Outdoor Kit, featuring the CAT Tourniquet, which has saved more lives than any other pre-hospital field tourniquet in the world. The I-ROK contains life-saving bleeding control equipment. The kit also contains essential first aid supplies to treat common injuries such as cuts, scrapes, bites, and stings. The IP68 rated R40 Pelican case keeps kit items protected from water, dirt, snow, and dust. The case handles can be used to secure the kit for your outing, as you can strap it to your gear, ATV, UTV, motorcycle, camper, or whatever you use to get to where the adventures are. The I-ROK XL adds additional capability to further treat burns, splinters, and cuts, all secured in an R60 Pelican case. You can find the NAR I-ROK and I-ROK XL at narescue.com. Follow us on social media or sign up for emails and join the mission.